Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to discuss about electrolysis process. This is under CBSE Standard 10 syllabus. Under chapter 3, metal and non-metals, we are going to study extraction of metals and refining of metal. In this, the electrolysis is the process which we are using. So, before going to those topics, we have to study thoroughly that what is electrolysis process. So here this is a general idea about electrolysis process, that how it is happening. In electrolysis process, one electrolytic cell will be there. This is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell means one vessel in which we are carrying out the electrolysis process. This cell should be non-conductor of electricity, because once we will start the electricity, that electricity should not come out. So this cell should be non-conductor of electricity. Now in this, we are taking one liquid medium through which we will pass electricity. It will help us to pass electricity. This is termed as electrolyte. The liquid medium which will help us to pass the electricity is termed as electrolyte. This can be aqueous solution of any salt, for example NaCl. When NaCl we are dissolving in the water, we will get Na plus and Cl minus. So these two types of ion we will get by dissociation of NaCl. So this is an electrolyte. In this NaCl we have added. So that is my electrolyte. Now this is electrode. This both are termed as electrons. As electrodes we can take graphite, copper or any metal electrode. So here there are two electrodes. One electrode I have attached with a small terminal of the battery. This is a negative terminal. This is a positive terminal. This small line suggests a negative terminal of the battery and longer line suggests the positive terminal of the battery. Since this electrode I have attached with the negative terminal of the battery, this will become my negative electrode. And this electrode I have attached with positive terminal of the battery. This electrode has become my positive electrode. Electrodes do not have any kind of nature. They are not positive and they are not negative. But it is depending upon which side of battery we are connecting to them. Which terminal of the battery we are connecting to them. Now here the negative electrode is termed as cathode electrode and positive electrode is known as anode electrode. So there are two types of electrode. One is cathode, another one is anode. This is fixed, that whatever is positive is termed as anode, whatever is negative is termed as cathode electrode. Now here from the electrolyte we have two types of ions. One is positive, one is negative. Once we will start the passage of current, this positive ion will attracted towards the negative electrode. So positive ions will migrate towards negative electrode. This is our positive ion. It will migrate towards negative electrode. This is my negative ions. They will migrate towards positive electrode. Opposite attracts. So whatever positive ions will remain in the electrolyte, they will travel towards negative electrode and negative ions will travel towards positive electrode. So in electrolysis process, what will happen? First we have compound. Once we are putting it in the water, they will dissociate into Na plus and Cl minus. After this, we will start passing a current. So, once we will start passing a current, they will move towards their respective electrodes. So, Na will go towards cathode. So, this is cathode, and Cl, there are two ions, Na and Cl. So, Cl will move towards anode. Now, once they are reaching their respective electrode, till now they are with charge. Once they are reaching here, they will lose their charge. So, this Na plus will become Na. So, this process is known as discharging. They will become discharged. Once they will reach the opposite charged electrode, they will discharge. So, Na plus will become Na and Cl minus will become Cl. So, from plus it will become Na, and this Cl will also get discharged and will become Cl. They will become neutral atom, and whatever we will get is our respective product at this electrodes. So, once they are reaching at their respective electrodes, what will happen? Sodium is a metal. So, once it will get discharged, it will become sodium metal. So, we will get sodium metal as a product at cathode electrode. Now, Cl is Cl minus, and chlorine is not a stable atom. Alone chlorine is not a stable. So, it will form a bond with another chlorine and it will become Cl2 gas. So, this is our product at this terminal. So, that is our positive electrode and it is anode. So, at anode we will get chlorine gas. So, this is how our process will work. That first NaCl we have taken in water. So, it will dissociate into Na plus Cl minus. They will move towards their respective electrode. Here it will be anode, here it will be cathode. So, once they are reaching at cathode, Na plus will become Na metal and the Cl minus will become Cl2 gas. So, this process is known as, they will get discharge. Once they will reach at their electrode, they will discharge, and this is our desired product. So, this is how the electrolysis process will happen. This process will happen with the help of electricity. So, that's why this is known as electrolysis. So, this is a general and basic idea about electrolysis process. Going forward, we are going to study about extraction of metal via electrolysis and refining of metal. So, don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.